Okay, good morning. Welcome to
AwesomeMath number 166.
Awesome Math number 166. So today we started a new section, and what was that section about?
Right triangles.
Yeah, and what did we do?
We proved the Pythagorean theorem.
We proved the Pythagorean theorem. So I'm going to have you go through it in two different ways today. First, I'm going to have you go through it in a specific case, and then we'll have you do the general case. Okay? And we've been through this morning, so it should be something you've seen, right?
Yep.
All right, let's give it a shot. So I've got these two side lengths of a right triangle, 5 and 12, and I put them around the outside of, and it makes a square.
Yep.
Okay, and we're going to try to find the side length of the hypotenuse of this right triangle from this diagram. So, what were some of the questions that we asked to get to the end of this problem?
Well, maybe what were these angles here? We called them angle 1 and angle 2.
Yeah.
So then we had to find if these were right angles or not.
Ooh, yeah.
If these were right angles.
Okay. That's a good thing to know.
Yeah.
So, how did we figure that out?
Well, so we found the area of this big one, this big square is the side length is 17, so we get 17 times 17, which is 289.
Ooh, wow, I'm glad you knew that actually. I was going to tell you that, but you knew it. Cool.
So then maybe we can subtract away these 4 to get the area in this shape.
Okay.
Here.
Alright, so what do we need to subtract
We
away?
need to subtract all 4 of those triangles.
Okay.
So, well, that's going to be 1/2 base times height. So that's 6 times 5. That's 30 times 4, which is 120. 100. You get 169.
Okay.
And so we wanted to know if these were right angles or not. And you know these are right angles. So we have these angles 1 and 2. So if this an angle 2 also appears over here.
How come?
Because these are congruent right triangles.
Ah, awesome.
So that means, well, the angles in a triangle add up to 180, so angle 1 plus angle 2 plus a 90-degree angle is 180. So that means that angle 1 plus angle 2, so angle 1 plus angle 2, this is 90 degrees.
Yeah.
And so that means these add up to 90, and this whole thing is 180, so this must be 90.
Whoa! Pretty amazing.
Yeah. So we can do the same thing for all of them. So then we get, if they're all right angles, we were left with 169, and so this must be a square in here.
Yeah.
So that means the side lengths are 13, because 13 times 13 is 169.
Huh. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Did you know yesterday was May 12th? So yesterday was 5/12.
So today is 5/13.
Yeah, today's 5/13. Alright, cool. That's a good job. So we just found a special right triangle, the 5, 12, 13 triangle. And what was one of the triangles we had found earlier today?
I think it was a 3, 4, 5 triangle.
Yeah, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now let's see if we can do the same idea, but just in general, without the numbers, okay?
Okay.